We received this ABB variable speed drive from a very large tire manufacturing facility, and it was completely dead when we received it. We had to strip it completely apart to fully clean it as it was clogged with some type of powder, and then performed a full rebuild to get it to the state shown in the video. This drive was prematurely caused to fail due to the contamination which had restricted the cooling of the VFD. At ERD, we encounter many instances of early failure due to neglect and lack of cleaning of the controls in dirty environments. ERD repairs all the various versions of the ABB ACS800 series motor control, from the single horsepower 200 volt ones all the way up to the 200 plus horsepower models at 575 volts.